Hey guys, I have to refill my zippo lighter and I thought making a video for you. It is completely dry. Here I have some lighter fluid zippo, right? This is a brand new. Let's start with the zippo, right? I learned some of these tips from Guthrie Lover. You have to close that, turn around the insert, and lift this. Seems to be cotton. I don't know. So you have to lift this point. So then you want to lift this part and throw the fluid inside. You have to put a little bit of fluid on it. Wait a few seconds. Again, put some more fluid in the zippo. Right. One important thing, you don't have to see the fluid on the cotton right here, on the whip, right? If you see the physically see the fluid on the cotton, the zippo is overloaded, so be careful with that. I have a tip for you. Zippo brand flint, right? So I'm gonna take one off like that, and I will put right on the hole, right? So now I have an extra flint inside of my zipper. I want to take this off, put again the insert. So one thing that you have to uh, have in mind before light your zippo for the first time after refueling is you have to have your hands clean, right? Uh, you don't have to have the fluid on your hands. If that happens, wash your hands, grab a piece of paper and clean your hands. So let's gonna try it, and it worked great. So hope you enjoyed this video. Nos vemos en el próximo video. Bye bye.